Hey guys, it's me again. There are only 3 of us in this house, but our shoe corner is completely out of control. Honestly, just finding a matching pair of shoes after a long day is a legit struggle. So on my day off, I decided to tackle this mess. We're going to upcycle these old plastic fruit crates into a super cute and totally unique shoe rack. Want to see how I did it? Let's get started. First up, I grabbed 4 of these plastic crates that are all the same size. Next, I'm just going to cut off one of the front faces on each crate. Quick heads up, be super careful here. This plastic can be a little tough. And then I'm using some screws to fasten them together. And just like that, you can already see it starting to look like a shelf. Now that the crates are done, I'm going to build a wooden base for it. I'm just cutting up some scrap wood and piecing them together. Then, I'm adding some caster wheels to the bottom to make it a mobile shoe rack. This will make cleaning underneath a breeze. The plastic frame is looking a little plain right now, so I'm giving it all a solid coat of black spray paint. While the paint is drying, I'm adding these small wood trim pieces around the edges. And we're not done yet. I'm using half of a leftover crate to create a little side caddy. This is perfect for holding umbrellas or even socks when you get home. For the final touch, to make the wood look gorgeous and protect it from wear and tear, I'm applying a coat of clear polyurethane to all the wood surfaces. And we are done! Are you ready for checking out our finished shoe rack? We turned some old crates into a shoe rack that's not just organized and functional, but also has a ton of character. So if you have any old crates lying around, don't throw them out. Give this project a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. I'd love to see your creations. Thanks for hanging out and watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button to get notifications for more awesome DIY ideas. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.